Hey guys, what's up? My name is Prez and welcome to another episode of How I Do YouTube. Now this is episode, I believe number 2. Let me check here. No, this is episode 3. So episode number 3, we're going to take a look at, I think the last episode we took a look at editing, finding music, and exporting videos. In the first episode, I just announced the series. So in this episode, we're going to take a look at thumbnails. Now, thumbnails is probably one of the most important things to your videos. It's a thing that people are going to see first before they even click on your video, before they even see the title, the description. They're going to see the thumbnail. So you guys want to make an eye-catching thumbnail and also truthful thumbnail too, and not clickbait. You could make a clickbait thumbnail if you guys want to, but I don't personally, and I just hit my pop filter off of my microphone. So hopefully that didn't get picked up in the microphone, but it probably did. But anyways, so we're going to take a look at thumbnails. My thumbnails are a little bit more classy, a little bit more like actually showing you guys what the game is all about, showing you what the video is actually about. So either with the game, either with like the title or how many episodes. So we're going to take a look at my thumbnail. Recently, I changed my NHL Be A Pro thumbnail to the style of the NHL's type of thumbnail. So I'll have the team logo here, like the visiting team logo on the top, and then NHL 18 Be A Pro mode. You guys know what it is. Here's a picture of the game on one side, and then here's the teams on the other, so you guys know what it is. This is my old thumbnail for NHL 18. This was my old one. This is my new one. So I'm actually going to give you guys the link to this thumbnail template. It's going to look like this. Just with this, you can actually replace your logo in the corner if you guys want to. It will just have, I believe, Fortnite. It'll have Fortnite. It will have the Hunter, and also have NBA Live 18. The Hockey Box and NHL Be A Pro are kind of like my thumbnails, and I believe How I Do YouTube is actually in there too. So you want to make your videos a little bit eye-catching. I think this thumbnail is actually a little bit more eye-catching than this one. But most of my subscribers are used to this type of style of thumbnail for me. So with this one, recently, actually my video is actually doing pretty good with this thumbnail. So I'm probably going to stick with this style of thumbnail. If you guys actually want to download the template and work on your own thumbnail, I'm just going to give you like guys the basic and just all that stuff. Here is the line. I'm going to actually highlight this for you guys so you guys know what it is, what the line's all about, so you can actually see the lines. We're going to change it to purple. So you guys see lines here, and the lines represent the correlation with the watermark. You want to have your own watermark on top of your thumbnail, so if somebody steals your thumbnail, you can contact YouTube, and then you could tell them that they stole my thumbnail. My watermark is actually in my thumbnail. Here's the proof and all that stuff, so you can actually prove to YouTube that you made the thumbnail and no one else did. I put my watermark in. A lot of YouTubers do. Either they put their face in the thumbnail, or they put like their logo in the thumbnail. I put my logo in my thumbnail because I don't do face cams anymore. I am planning on doing some more face cams in the near future. Currently, I am moving to a different house, so I'm kind of in between right now. So, but anyways, I'm gonna give you guys this thumbnail template. It's gonna be a Google. It's gonna be a Google link, I believe. So you don't have to worry about anything. So it's just a Google dot. It's a drive.google download. So simple and easy. Just click on the link. It will end up here, and then you can actually either open up with this, or you can, what you can do is just click download. It will download right to your computer. So you just click download. It'll open up a different link, and then it'll start downloading the thumbnail. So the thumbnail size is just about, I'm not going to save that. If we actually take a look at the thumbnail space, let me drag this over here, just in case there's something on my computer that it's not allowed to, you guys are not allowed to see any personal information. So the thumbnail size is only 25.7 megabytes. So it's actually very, very simple. If we actually open it up, we can actually open it up, and I can actually show you what comes with it. So like I said, you guys want to make your thumbnails 1280 by 720, so 720p That's like the standard YouTube type of deal. So yeah, so it comes with Fortnite, the Hunter, and NBA Live 18. So let's say you're playing let's say if you're playing Fortnite. Fortnite is actually packed with a whole bunch of stuff here. You got different characters you can add to your thing. You can add the maps. There's different maps here, so you can add not different maps, but different areas of the map. You can add different stuff here. Here's a night version. Here's a daytime version. Here's the kind of like the watchtower, and then here's like the ocean. So you get a couple things. You get the maps, and you get the characters, and also you get the logo too. And actually, it looks pretty nice. I actually kind of like this thumbnail, so make sure you guys use it. And with a Call of the Wild, pretty simple. These are background adjustments. So you can adjust the saturation. You can make it black and white, and then you can make it nice and warm, or you can add like kind of like a shadow behind it if you guys want to. And that's separate from the title, so the title does not get affected by these effects as long as you keep the background adjustments underneath the text. So, and then like I said, it comes with NBA Live. And to actually replace, either you can like delete the picture, and then that'll be, and then you can drag in your own. You can move around the titles, you can move around the font, all that stuff. You guys may not have this font. Here's the font up here in the corner. If you guys want to download it, just type it in Google and you'll find the link. But anyways, so let's just say once you get your thumbnail done and it's ready to go, and you want to export it. So what you want to do when you export it, let's work with the Fortnite. So let's say you're done editing the Fortnite video. You add a couple characters, like you can actually move this guy over. So you added a couple characters to your thumbnail, and you want to save it. So what you do, you go down to File, then you go down to Export, Save for Web. You want to save for web. It's probably the best format you can actually do with. Use PNG 24. Sharpener, you can go with smoother. You can go with, I prefer sharpener. Like I said, 1280 by 720. The resolution will already be like already reset for you. And what you can do is you can actually save this thumbnail template, and you can actually use it over and over again. Like I just said, you got to replace the watermark. That's it. You just got to replace the watermark. It's pretty simple. It's pretty simple to do that. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, if you guys want to download this template and make your own thumbnails based on this, there'll be a link in the description to download it. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys smash the like button. Make sure you guys subscribe if you guys haven't already. And guys, leave suggestions in the comments below on what I should do next. What episode? What do you guys want to see next? Do you guys want to see how to actually upload your video after you're done making the thumbnail and exporting and editing your video? You guys want to see how you actually title your video? How do you write a description? And how do you put the proper tags in? Do you guys want to see that? Or do you guys want to see kind of like more behind the scenes of actually running a YouTube channel with like analytics and how to get in the YouTube partnership program and how to get paid? Do you guys want to see either that or uploading? You guys want to see the analytics, or do you guys want to see the analytics side of YouTube, or you guys want to see the upload side of YouTube? Let me know in the comments below. But also, you guys can follow me on Twitter and Instagram. You guys can tell me what you guys want over there as well. You guys don't have to just put comments down. You can actually head over to my Twitter or my Instagram and tell me there what you guys want to see next. But anyways, my name is Prez, and make sure you guys, yeah, I'll see you guys next video. But anyways, I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.
You my baby, my pretty lady. I wanna be with you until we're fucking 80. I wanna watch the sunset with you daily. Keep my baby safe as we live, always chasing. Hearts racing when I'm with you, I'm just saying. Back to all the better days when I used to be young and free.